Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauriram's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Chatpata chicken. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's see what are the ingredients required. Take half kg boneless chicken. Wash the chicken well by applying curd and turmeric powder. Now let's marinate the chicken. Take half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, required amount of salt, crushed pepper 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoon, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoon, 1 whole lime juice. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Add corn flour powder 2 tablespoon. Mix the corn flour well with the chicken and marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a kadai, add oil to it. When the oil is hot, drop the chicken pieces slowly into the oil. Don't flip the chicken immediately after dropping. After 5 minutes, let's flip it to the other side. Do the same process for entire chicken. And in the other pan, add butter 2 tablespoons. For tempering, add garlic pieces finely chopped, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon green chutney. Saute it well for about 2 minutes. Add required amount of salt. And now let's add the chicken which we had fried earlier. Mix all the ingredients together and fry it for about 2 minutes. Now our Chatpata chicken is ready. Hope everybody liked this video. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.